Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video, I'm just going to introduce you into the product rule for logarithms. I'm going to use numbers just to illustrate why this works, and we'll go through a few examples. So let's start with the first one. We've got a log base 2 of 8 times 16. Now the product rule states that we can break this apart into a log base 2 of 8 plus a log base 2 of 16. So if we wanted to work that out, log base 2 of 8 is 3 because 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. In other words, there's 3 2's multiplied together to get 8. So this one's 3 plus, now log base 2 of 16 is going to be 4 because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16. So there's 4 2's multiplied together. So this is going to be 4. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. So this one evaluates to 7. Okay, why does that work? Well, let's take a look at the original logarithm here. Okay. So essentially we do have log base 2 of 8 times 16. Well, what that really is log base 2 of, let's see, how many 2's do we have to multiply to get 8? Well, there's 3, so we do 2 times 2 times 2, and then we're multiplying times 16, which is 4 2's, so 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this is going to be a number, right? 2 to the 7th power is going to be, because it's 7 2's, so 2 to the 6th power is 64. So this is going to be 128, right? And we have to multiply again 7 2's to get this number. So this is just going to be 7, right? That's why it works. That's why we can add the 2. Okay, let's try another one and let's see if you're getting the concept here. So this next one, we are evaluating log base 4 of 16 times 64. We can break this apart into log base 4 of 16 plus log base 4 of 64. So first off, we want to think, how many 4's do we multiply to get 16? Well, 4 times 4 equals 16. So that's 1, 2, 4, so 2 plus, how many 4's do you multiply to get 64? Well, you do 4 times 4 times 4. That's 3 4's multiplied together to get 64. So this logarithm is equal to 3. So our solution here is 5. And if we broke this apart here, log base 4 of 16 times 64 could be written as log base 4 of 4 times 4, which would give me 16. Oops, that 4 got away from me a little bit. So 4 times 4, that's 16, times, then 64 is 4 times 4 times 4. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 4's to get whatever this number is. So log base 4 of whatever the number is, well, it's taking 5 4's multiplied together, so it's just 5. Okay, so hopefully that is illustrating why this product rule works. Let's just do these next couple ones and we'll just do the product rule. So we've got log base 5 of 25 times 625. So I'm going to break this apart into log base 5 of 25 plus log base 5 of 625. So how many 5s do we have to multiply together to get 25? Well, 5 times 5 equals 25, so that's just 2 5s. This is 2 plus, how many 5s do we multiply together to get 625? Well, we do 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. That's going to give me 625. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 5s. So 2 plus 4, our solution here is 6. And we can check this too. We could do, well, is 5 to the 6th power, does that equal 25 times 625? Well, let's get a calculator here. So 25 times 625 is equal to 15,625. And if we multiply 6 5s together, so we do 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, we also get 15,625. Okay? All right, one more problem here. We have log base 6 of 216 times log base 6 of 216. So that becomes log base 6 of 216 plus log base 6 of 216. And I think when I read this one out, we had log base 6 of 216 times 216, okay? It's not log base 6 of 216 times log base 6 of 216. That's different. Anyways, to get 216, we do 6 times 6 times 6. So that's 3 6s multiplied together to get 216. So that's 3 plus 3. So my answer here is 6. Okay. Now this is 216 squared. We could check that via Desmos. So let's go up to Desmos here. And if I do, let me go down to my functions here. Let's go to the functions, and we go to calculus, and we have log with the base of a, so I can do log base 6, and I could do 216 squared, and you see there it equals 6, okay? Or you could do just 6 times 6 times 6. Notice if I do 3 6s, the answer here is 3 times 6 times 6 times 6. We get 6 because this is 216, the first 3 6s multiplied together times 216. Okay, hopefully this video started to illustrate why the product rule does work and how to use it. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Any questions, you can leave comments in the comments below.